Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the USB board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the base enclosure. Remove the 4mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the USB board to the base enclosure. Carefully remove the USB board from the alignment pin, retention tab, and cutout on the base enclosure, and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the USB board.